Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Telegram trading bot. First, you'll need to set up your bot through Bot Father on Telegram to get your unique API token. This token is crucial for authenticating your bot. Next, select a robust programming language, such as Python, and install the essential libraries for both Telegram and your chosen trading exchange. This foundational setup ensures your bot has the necessary tools to begin its operations effectively and securely. Once your bot is set up, focus on developing its core trading strategy. Clearly define your entry and exit rules to guide its decisions. You'll then integrate your bot with a cryptocurrency exchange's API to enable real trading actions. Implement functions to place and manage orders, and ensure your bot can process real-time market data and price updates. This allows for informed and timely trading decisions based on current market conditions. Now, let's connect your bot to Telegram for user interaction. Utilize a Telegram bot library to efficiently handle incoming messages and commands. Establish specific commands that allow users to control the bot and retrieve information. It's vital to implement secure authentication for any users interacting with your bot. Finally, configure your bot to send timely notifications regarding trades, market events, and any critical alerts, keeping users informed. The final step involves deploying and continuously monitoring your trading bot. Host your bot on a secure, always-on server to ensure uninterrupted operation. Implement robust error handling and comprehensive logging to quickly identify and resolve any issues that may arise. Regularly monitor your bot's performance and trading activities to optimize its strategy. Remember to update your bot frequently to maintain security and introduce new features, ensuring its long-term effectiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.